Hello all, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are going to see how to set up booking services in Wix Studio. First, you need to go to your Wix website, Wix Studio's website, then you need to go to the apps option on your left, go to the app market, click on app market. In here, you need to search apps for bookings. After searching it, you will see the option of Wix Bookings. Click on it. After clicking on it, it will add to site. It is free to install. You can install it. So as you can see, now it is open and you can use it for whichever purpose you want to add it, for virtual consultation or whatever use you have for that particular bookings. So I hope this video was useful to you, and if it was, then make sure to like and share this video, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel